So people should look after their mobile phones for a couple of reasons. One is obviously the value of the device itself, and you wouldn't want to lose that and have to fork out for it. But the second is all the information that's then contained on that device that's valuable to criminals. There are some really obvious things that you should and shouldn't do with your mobile phone. We found in our survey that 1 in 10 people have admitted to leaving their mobile phone out on the table in a pub or in a restaurant. That's obviously going to make it a target. Somebody gets that device, then they can obviously run up a huge bill. Somebody can also gain access to information that you've stored on that device. Now, an astonishing number of people keep their PIN number in their contacts list on their phone. That means that somebody could have access to your money, especially if they've nicked your handbag and they've taken your phone and your wallet at the same time. Some of the other things you can do to protect yourself include putting a password on the device, maybe using a PIN code on some of the more simple devices. If you are using a password on a smart device, then make it something that's got numbers and letters in it, so it's really complicated and more difficult to guess. While it's really important to protect your phone, it's also really important to protect the paperwork that's associated with your phone. For example, shred your bill. Your name and address and a utility bill can be used to impersonate you. If somebody gets hold of your name and address and your mobile phone number, and they can contact the mobile phone company, they would be able to pose as you and, for example, get another line added to your account. That means that once they've got the SIM, they'll be able to make fraudulent calls using the second SIM that's now taken out in your name. If you have lost your phone, call your network provider straight away. What we'll do at Vodafone is we'll put a bar on to stop anybody making calls. If you then decide that it actually has been stolen and it is gone forever, call us back because we can blacklist the phone for you, and that means that the thief won't be able to use your phone with any SIM in it. Even if you're a pay-as-you-go customer, we can help you if your phone is stolen. Make sure it's registered with us and then call us up if your phone is stolen and we'll transfer your balance to your new handset when you get it. One of the new threats that we're uncovering with the mobile phone is phishing. That's when somebody sends you what looks to be a really authentic message from a service provider asking you for personal data. If you respond to these with information about yourself, remember you're giving that personal information to somebody who may not be who they're pretending to be. Bluetooth is a great tool, and it's a great thing to exchange data or pictures with your friends. But if you leave Bluetooth on all the time, then other people will be able to push data or push images to your phone. Social networking is a great thing and is easily available to you using your mobile device, but just be really cautious about what information you're sharing on that. My general advice to people would be just think carefully before you're doing things with your mobile phone. If you want some specific advice, go to the Vodafone website at vodafone.co.uk, and we've got a team of people who can help you out on our e-forum.